Hello friends, today we are going to see what is code converter. What do you mean by code converter? Actually, code converter means what? Converting information into coded form. That is what your code converter is. For example, if I want to interact with a computer or if I want to perform any operation onto the computer, then that time how I'll interact with the computer. Did computer understand human language or did I know machine language? No, right? So to interact with the computer, what I have to do, I will provide just the instructions or the information in the form which I know. That may be in any of the language, that may be English, Hindi, Marathi, German, Japanese, whatever, right? So now that information has to be processed by the computer. So how the computer will process that information? So first of all, computer will convert that information in binary form, right, or in the machine language form. Then after that conversion, it will start processing. That is nothing but code converter. That means converting the information from one form to another form as per our necessity, right? So that is what your code converter is. So actually there are different types of code converters are there. For example, we are having number system. So in number system there are different numbers are there. For example, binary number, then BCD, that is binary coded decimal number. Third one is gray code. Fourth one is XS3 number. So first of all, you should know this basic number system, right? So what is binary number? So binary number is a 4-bit number. It is represented using base 2, right? And that two numbers are 0 or 1, right? So if I want to write any decimal number into a binary number, for example, if I want to write number 4, this is decimal number, this is decimal number, and if I want to write this decimal number into a binary number, then that time I have to convert this decimal number into binary. So as its representation is base 2, so its LSB value will be 2 to the power 0, 2 to the power 1, 2 to the power 2, and 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 0 means it is 1, it is 2, it is 4, and it is 8. Now what I have to write? 4. So in place of weight 4, this is weights, right? 8, 4, 2, 1, these are the weights of this bits, right? So here I had used 4 bits, you can see. So in place of weight 4, I have to write 1 to represent decimal 4, right? And remaining will be zeros, right? So this is what how I had represented this decimal 4 into binary, right? So now next is that as binary number is a 4-bit number, that means what are the combinations, how many are the combinations of these 4 bits, that means how many numbers I can write. So for calculating the number of combinations of these zeros and ones in 4 bits, is formula is 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n means what? N is nothing but the number of bits. How many bits are there? 4. So 2 to the power 4, that means 16 combinations are there, right? So for writing these 16 combinations, what is the range? So range will start from 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1, as 2 to the power n is 16 minus 1, that means 0 to 15. That means binary numbers range will be 0 to 15, right? So now this is what about binary number, right? And all the numbers from 0 to 15 are valid numbers, right? Are valid numbers. Now second is your BCD number, that is also called as binary coded decimal number. So it is similar to binary number. It is also 4-bit number. Combinations will be 2 to the power n, that means 2 to the power 4. N is nothing but the number of bits or number of inputs we can say. So here 16 combinations. Range will be again same, that is 0 to 2 to the power n minus 1, that is 15. But this range is categorized into two parts. One is 0 to 9, that range is called as valid numbers. Here in BCD 0 to 9 are valid numbers and remaining 10 to 15, that is invalid numbers, right? So this is what your BCD number is, right? So what does it mean that valid and invalid? For example, if I am going to convert any BCD number, or if I am going to convert BCD number into a gray code, then that time I have to write 0 to 15, that means 16 combinations I have to write. But out of that 16 combinations I am going to convert only the range of valid numbers, that is 0 to 9, into gray code. Remaining 10 to 15 will not be converted into gray code since they are invalid numbers, right? So instead of that I have to write output as don't care, right? So don't care means what? This X is nothing but a don't care. So the output for 10 to 15 is don't care since they are invalid numbers, right? Now next third type is what? Your gray code. So what do you mean by gray code? Actually in binary number we had seen that it is a 4-bit number and we are writing as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They are sequential in order, and we can see that in binary number if I write 00 4 times 0, that means it is decimal 0, then 0 0 0 1, this is binary decimal 1, 0 0 1 0, this is decimal 2, right? Now 0 0 1 1, this is decimal 3, right? So when we are writing this successive numbers 0 and 1, here only one bit is varying, right, in binary, right? But when we are writing decimal 2 after decimal 1, right, so you can see that here 2 bits are same but 2 bits are varying, right? That means in binary numbers when we are writing two successive numbers, so any number of bits may vary, right? That is what your binary number is. But in gray code when we are writing two successive numbers, then that time only one bit should change, not more than that, right? So that is what your gray code is. So here gray code, in gray code when two successive numbers comes, then they should vary by only one bit, right? So that is what your gray code is. For example, if I want to convert any binary number 0 1 1 0, that means it is your decimal 6, right? 4 plus 2 is 6, and I want to convert this binary number, this is what your binary number, and I want to convert this binary number into a gray code number, then that time what I'll do, just this is the MSB bit, this is LSB bit. MSB means most significant bit and LSB means least significant bit, right? So here this is your B3 bit, this is B2, this is B1, and this is B0. So for converting binary to gray, I have to just copy. This is G3, G2, G1 and G0. For calculating G3 bit, I have to copy just B3 bit as it is. So 0 है तो 0 ही आएगा. So formula for this is G3 is B3. When we are calculating G2, then that time we have to XOR B3 with B2. When we are calculating G1, then that time we have to XOR B2 with B1. And for G0 we have to XOR B1 with B0, right? So as formula for G3 is B3, that means B3 bit का जो भी input है 0, that will be the output for G3 bit. For G2 we have to XOR B3 with B2, right? 0 1 XOR करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? XOR पर आपको ट्रूथ टेबल पता होगा. 2 inputs are there in XOR table, right? So 2 inputs है तो how many combinations will be there? 4 combinations will be there. So if any one of the input among these two is 1, then your output is 1, and both the inputs are same, then that time your outputs are 0 0, right? So this is what the truth table for XOR gate, right? So now here B3 XOR with B2, that means 0 XOR with 1 is 1, case 2 is applied, right? Now G1 के लिए B2 XOR with B1, that is 1 XOR with 1, that means case 4 is applied, output will be 0. Now next for G0 B1 XOR with B0, right? B1 XOR with B0, that is 1 XOR with 0. 1 XOR with 0 means case 3 is applied, the output will be 1. So this is how we are going to convert a binary number into a gray code number, right? Now last type is here XS3. As the word suggests, XS3 means what? Adding three to the given binary number. Whatever the number which is provided to us, in that we have to just add binary 3 in that number. For example, if I am having a binary number as 8, 1000 is the representation of decimal 8 into binary 8, right? So if I want to convert this number, this is what your binary number, and I want to convert this binary number into XS3. So XS means what? Add 3 in that number, right? So this is the given number. In that given number I have to add 3, right? So this is binary 3. So I'll just perform addition. So in addition we know that outputs are 2, that is sum and carry. So when 0 1 is 1, 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 1 0 is 1. So this is the output for XS3, right? So now this is 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 8. What is this binary number? If I convert this binary number into decimal, what is this number? 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, right? So in decimal this is 8, in decimal this is 3, 8 plus 3 is 11. So you can see that we got output as 11, and this is the binary representation of decimal 11. So this is the way to convert any binary number or any number into XS3 number, right? So that's it.